My dear sister, may Allah reward you, first of all. Raising children in the West is quite frankly, is one of the most challenging missions. If you care about your children, if you care about them, if you don't care, like many parents now, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter for you. But raising children in the West begins with choosing the spouse, I tell you. That is why, brothers and sisters in Islam, please, if you're not married, take your time. Don't rush into choosing a spouse. Verify, confirm that this is the right partner. And I'm sorry, I'm using the term partner. Yes, it's a husband or wife, but I'm really using it in a business term. Someone you have a shared vision with. It's like LLC. It's like an LLC, like a project and a corporation. And both of you are after the success of this business. First of all, you and your partner, your spouse, are together in Jannah. You helped one another to make it in Jannah, and you left behind you children who are still sending you good deeds and so forth. Brothers and sisters in Islam. So that's step number one. And again, I wrote a lot about this subject when I spoke about Khadijah and Rasulullah in the Seerah and contemporary context. There will be a chapter about this also there. One whole chapter about marriage and why the institution of marriage is so crucial in Islam because of this. Because it's a means to the protection of the next generation, the progeny, making sure that next generation are fully aware of Islam. They are here and they are Muslims. After that, Alhamdulillah, hopefully you have an agreement on how you're going to raise these children. I'm telling you, brothers and sisters in Islam, education, education, education. If you're sending your children to the public school system, you are risking 85% of the religions of your child. Unless, in my opinion, by the way, this is the most successful solution. You see, there are other solutions like homeschooling, online schooling, Islamic schooling. But unfortunately, they put us to the test that Islamic schools are financially exhausting to organizations like us or to parents, even though public school education, public school system is free. And if you compare between an Islamic school, the establishment, the school itself, the classrooms and what's in the classrooms, the quality of the teachers, and with the public school, you can't even compete. But this one will teach hereafter, will teach Tawheed, will teach Akhirah, and this one will teach disbelief, will teach no God. Life is good without a God. That's what they teach there. Oh. In my opinion, that's actually something that I said over and over again in public forums, in lectures and khutbahs. The ideal solution actually that you send your child to the public school system, provided what? Every day they come back, you open their textbook and you sit with them. What did you study today? Okay, this one is not correct Islamically because this is haram. This one is not correct Islamically, this is not haram. This is haram. This one is good. Islam teaches that. This is great. What happened with your schoolmates? What did they tell you? What did they say to you? Did you look at the girls? Did you look at the boys? And you tell me who have time to do that. I say to my dear sister, may Allah reward you tremendously, Islamic education. Islamic education. The last piece I want to throw here because the time is running out here. I want to try to answer some more questions from the brothers online. Is talking is not going to help your children. Your children must see you praying. Your children must see you telling the truth. Your children must be. You cannot, brothers and sisters in Islam, be preaching a message with the tongue. Meanwhile, your children are seeing totally something else with their eyes, hearing something else with their ears. Actually, in my opinion, this is more damaging than not preaching it, because right away they will doubt that.